Hi students, we are going to see the second chapter complex number. First we are going to see introduction of the complex number. The complex number is of the form z equal to x plus iy. X plus iy. The complex number means the number system already you have studied. Number system, first one is a natural number, next one whole number, next integer, rational, irrational, and then whole set, real number. Next, because it is a complex number, next set is a complex number. Up to this you know, okay. Next set is a complex number. The complex numbers includes real, rational, irrational, integer, whole, natural. Okay. Now the complex number is of the form z equal to x plus iy. X and y are real numbers. The I is the imaginary unit. I is a imaginary unit. I squared value equal to -1. I squared equal to -1. Some example, 2 plus I root 3 is a complex number. -2 plus I is a complex number. 2 is also a complex number. 2 can be written as 2 plus I0. Then this one is a complex number. Okay. And another one note, important note, I power 0, 1. Any number power 0, 1 you know. I squared value -1. In this complex number, it's very important. I squared equal to -1. Next we want to find I cube. I cube means I squared into I. I squared value -1. Up -1 into I, minus I. I power 4. I power 4. I squared into I squared. -1 into -1, the value is +1. Okay, next I power -1. I power -1, 1 by I. 1 by I means both the numerator and the denominator multiplied by I. I divided by I squared. I squared value -1, we get -I. Next I power -2. I power -2 means 1 by I squared. I squared value -1, value is -1. I power -3. 1 by I power 3. 1 by I squared into I. I squared value -1. -1 into I, minus I. -1 into I, minus I. Then both the numerator and the denominator multiplied by I. 1 into I. Now minus I squared. Minus I squared. I squared value -1. Here also one minus, that +1. The value is I. And the next one important note, I power 4 equal to 1. Already we have seen. I power 4 equal to 1. I power 8. I power 8 means I power 4 into I power 4. 1 into 1, 1. I power 12 means I power 4 into I power 4 into I power 4. That's value equal to 1. I power 16. I power 4. I power 4. I power 4. I power 4. 4 times. It's also 1. That means very important. The power 4 multiples means the value equal to 1. The value equal to 1. So very important. Okay. Now we are going to the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. I power 1947 plus I power 1950. Okay. I power 1947 can be written as I power 1944 into I power 3. That is a 1944 is a 4 multiple. See that one? 1944 divided by 4, we get 0. That is a 4 multiple value. But this one is I power 1944 into I power 3 plus 1950 split into 1948 is also a 4 multiple into I square. Okay, but this value 4 multiple means this value equal to 1. I cube. I cube means I squared into I. I squared into I. I squared value -1. That is minus I. This value 4 multiple value 1. I squared value -1. Then minus I, here minus 1. That is minus 1 minus I. Second sum, I power 1948 minus I power minus 1869. 1948 is a 4 multiple minus 1869, 1868 4 multiple. Here also one minus is there. Then minus 1868 minus 1. I power minus 1868 into I power minus 1. This one is a 4 multiple. 4 multiple, so value equal to 1. Next, this one is also a 4 multiple. This value equal to 1. So I power minus 1. I power minus 1 means 1 by I. Then both the numerator and denominator multiplied by I. 1. This one is 1 into I. I squared value minus 1. Appo 1 minus I by minus 1. So minus plus, that is 1 plus I. Get the answer. Third sum, sigma n equal to 1 to 12 I power n. Now substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 12. I squared, I cube, I power 4 and I power 5, I power 6, etc. I power 11, I power 12. Okay. Now first take first 4 terms. First 4 terms. Next, I power 5 means I power 4 into I. I power 4 value 1. That is I. I power 6 means I power 4 into I square. I power 4 value 1, I square. Next, I power 7. I power 7, 4. I power 4. Up to this 1, I power 3. I power 8. I power 8. Now, split into 2 terms. I power 4 into I power 4. That is, we want this bracket value also. These two are equal. Then only I power 8, I power 4, 1 and another I power 4 write this. Okay. Now and next I power 9, 10, 11, 12 also write this value. Okay. First 4 terms write this. Next up to this I power 8 write this. I power 9 to I power 12 write this. Okay. Now I squared value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 value 1. Similarly, write this. I minus I cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Next, fourth sum, I power 59 plus I power 1 by I power 59. I power 59, 56 up to this 4 multiple. I power 56 into I power 3. Similarly, plus 1 by I power 56 into I power 3. That is, I power 56 value 1. I power 3 value minus I. Here 1 by value 1. Here minus I. So 1 is minus I. Here both the numerator and denominator multiplied by I. What is the value? I by I square. Here I square value minus 1. I square value minus 1 multiply minus I plus I. Minus I plus I. What is the value? 0. Value is 0. Next, fifth sum, I squared, I cube, etc. I power 2000. So multiples. Then add the powers. I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 2000. You know already algebra formula. X squared plus x squared into x cube. X squared into x cube means x power 2 plus 3. Similarly, I squared, I cube, etc. I power 2000 means I add the powers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 2000. And in 10th standard, you have already studied the formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n. The value is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Now, I power, here n value 2000. N value 2000. Now, n equal to 2000 into 2000 plus 1. 2001 divided by 2. Now, cancel. Multiply. What is the value? 20 lakhs 1000. Okay, now this one is a multiple of 4. This value is a multiple of 4, then the value is 1. Okay, next sixth sum. Sixth sum, sigma n equal to 1 to 10. Sigma n equal to 1 to 10, I power n plus 50. I power n plus 50. Now substitute n equal to 1. 1 means 50 plus 1, 51. Next 2, 52, 53, 54, 55, etc. up to I power 60. I power 60. In this one, I power 50 common. I power 50 common taken out. What is the balance? I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4, I power 5, etc. I power 9, I power 10. Then I power 50. Already see the third sum. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Next up to this 8 term. I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Next 2 terms only balance. I power 9. I power 9 means I power 8 into I. I power 10 means I power 8 into I square. Here I power 50 multiples. I power 48 4 multiple into I square. I square. So I minus 1 minus I plus 1. Similarly write this. Here I power 8 1. What is the balance? I. Also 1. What is the balance? I square. I squared over value minus 1. Okay. Now I power 48 value 1. I squared value minus 1 is fully 0. Is fully 0. What is the balance? 1 I plus I minus 1. Okay. Now we get minus 1, that is I minus 1. Multiply minus I here plus 1. Minus I plus 1. That is a 1 minus I. We get the answer. Thank you, students.